socks for safety.
You like it?
Well, the little shithead's been working on it. Let's see. Oh, looks like we got the shocks out. Alright, rear shocks are out. I'll let him know to get the springs on it and the shocks. Yeah, I think we're going to change out this boomerang too, because the bushings don't look too healthy. Shouldn't be too bad. 3 bolts, plus a couple extra bolts for the e-brake cables. Cool.
Where'd it go? Oh, it's right there. Okay, got that off.
Yeah.
And now I need to get that bolt out.
Okay.
Which I don't.
Okay, I am under the liberty. I know, ew, right? Brendan's birthday is coming up and his driver's license coming. And we just got done with the Venture X Fest, so I figured I'd surprise him. Take the weekend while he's not here and lift his Jeep. So I already got the one side ripped apart. He already started the rear. So I feel like we can get this done. So, like I said, the other side's ripped apart. I'm going to show you the harder side. As of right now, I am about to take off the control arm and the strut, and I'll go build the struts. I'll go build the struts. That way I can put them in tomorrow, and the control arms and the front's basically done. The front's pretty much straightforward. You just got to build struts. That's the hard part. Battery usually sits right here, as you can see. It's not. Now, I don't know if you're going to be able to, but we got to get to that bolt right there, which is 18 mil. And there's a bolt back there. I get to, that's an 18 mil also. And I'm going to remove this battery tray. So, the hard side. Yay. Yes, I am using this. The ball joint. Right here. Little by little. I didn't bring my ratcheting wrench home. If you have one, use it. If not, adjustables win. Okay. Ball joint separated. Adjustable wrench. Hammer. And I need to get this bolt down here out of the wishbone of the struts. And then this crap's gonna come out. Looks like a bunch of little push tabs. Some more tabs, more tabs, more tabs. Yeah. Okay, so if you guys are doing this, then, well, any Jeep owner knows what that is. So it broke, the tab broke. Let's see, focus, focus. So I cleaned it off the best I could. Pounded a 19 over top of it and held it. So got it right off. Winning. Okay, I'm to this point of getting these guys off. Yeah. If you're cool and, you know, don't give a crap about it, like me, then just yank the shit out of it and hope for the best. That's what I want to start doing. Or you can use a pair of dikes or pliers or, you know, needle nose, I guess. Good luck. Have fun. Pop them off. Honestly, I don't see this going back on. Mainly because we're going to have to clear back here for tire rubbage. See? Yay. I'm going to do that to the other side still, but that side's easier. I think this is where it hits back in here. And just like XJ's, little spot welds that I think we can cut, put some foam in and bend it all down and pie it up. I don't know, we'll find out. Alright, I'm ready to get this guy out and these bolts out. Alright, battery tray is loose. So 13 mil, and don't forget this hidden guy way down here. Oh yeah, gonna need an extension. You know what's awesome? Running an XJ. God, XJs are awesome. Just look at that thing. Alright, battery tray is loose. I'm hoping to just move it out of my way because there's 2 strut bolts here, which are 18 mils. I don't know if you guys can see that. There's 1, 2, and the other 2. And there's that 1 bolt I showed you. So these are alright. I'm not too upset about those. This guy, however, like Jeep. Come on, dude. It's the black hole. Seriously, that's gonna suck. We'll get it though. Alright, so you're wondering what's up with the zip tie? Why do you need a zip tie around the control arm and the strut? Well, I don't. But I'm going to show you why. Because while loosening this back bolt, this was going like this. So I wasn't loosening it. Now I already took that bolt out. I still got to take this one out. Hopefully it's not frozen. And then the strut's coming out. But let me show you. So came through here. Let's see if you can see. Sorry about the angles. So came through here, steering column, with a swivel and an 18 mil, and turned it little by little. I don't know if you guys can see that. The sun's awful right now. Anyways, I gotta get the bolt out, and then control arm come out. So that's what I ended up doing. Was that mamma jamma right there. So I do have a step down. You don't need it if you're just 3/8, but 3/8 because they're thin. Swivel 18, semi-deep. Just to let you know, you could probably use shallow or deep. There's room, but yeah, this step down actually helps because I got the, you know, bigger wrench. So yay, tools and things. Got to wiggle it to get it up. Jeez. Almost there. Victory. All right. So we do this one arm. So, all control arm. Poop. And then I'll get this out. So, and then tomorrow, I said I'll build it at work. I'm not going to show you guys that, mainly because I'll be at work and can't film there now. But take it to the garage. They will build this. I do need this guy and this guy off the old strut for the new one. All right, old struts are out. Gotta clean up the tools, but there you go. So you take the struts out. I will have to hopefully not break this bolt. It looks pretty bad. I'm gonna separate that there. Take this wishbone off. Same with that one. Gotta save those. Quick question, guys. Got the control arms out, got the struts out. How we have to cut this lip. It's pretty deep. Top 2, it's not as bad. Same with here. All 4 holes, both fronts. All right, night number 2. That's all I got into this. Honestly, I've been out for like 15-20 minutes. Not a big deal. Let's see if you guys can still see this though. Let me flip it. All right, strut is in, is connected, and through bolt through the wishbone is on. So what I did, word to the wise, leave the wishbone off, start the 4 up top. Those new shiny guys. Let's see if that gets some better focus. There you go, new shiny guys. So start those, leave the wishbone off, undo your sway links, both sides, and then put the wishbone on, wiggle it up, it'll go. Trust me, it'll go. And then this will give you enough flex to push down. Remember, I'm doing this by myself. So if I can do it, you guys can do it. Push down on the whole thing. Start one side, start hammering it through. It was a little cockeyed, so I was able to push and tap, and it went right in. I would have filmed it, but like I said, I am doing this on my own. Just trying to give you guys little hints and tips. Yeah. Otherwise, this is pretty much straightforward. Next is I gotta egg these out right here. These little control arm slots for more articulation. It's not much, but that's the next step. Oh, ripping out this inner fender too, because it's got to go. It's got to go. Yeah, just like this. Just rip and hope for the best, guys. That's what I'm saying. All right, so there you go. We're gonna finish this tomorrow. No joke. 32s will be on this, and this will be going to the alignment rack. I don't know who's gonna get who I'm gonna take it to, but I'm gonna find someone that's open, and I have to go in there myself and do it. I will. I'll go in there myself, and I will do it myself if I have to. It's getting done. This kid's getting this lifted Jeep Monday morning, and it's Saturday night. Okay, I got help.
Hi.
We got control arm in, struts are in, so everything down here, sway links in. It's literally the reverse of what you do. So yeah, adjustable wrench, it's a big nut, cotter pin, don't forget, and this needs greased up later. So
it's tricky to get the control arms back.
Yeah, it was a little tricky. That's where help came in. He sat down here, wiggled, lined it up with the holes, and I was up top and slid them through. So now I get to put that mess together.
Basically almost ready to drive.
Yeah, it's done.
Practically done.
Yeah. Oh, green tape is...
Fenders.
Aaron's going to be cutting fenders, so stay tuned. I'll film that next. Here are those 13mm nuts to hold down the battery tray. So, got the control arm in. Pick the hard side first. Already done. Remember, they're 18s, and then these are 13s. Sorry about the sun. It's a hot one today too. And just a reminder, Brennan, next days are better. Tyler came. He's helping now.
Hi.
This is for you, Brennan, so you definitely owe us, but A-arm is out, which is a bolt here, bolt there. What size were they?
15.
15s, and then this guy's on the axle, so we brought it out with the A-arm, and
3 of these were 19s,
okay,
and then
this sits on that ball joint.
that was fun.
Yeah, it was completely rusted, so it was easier to take it off the axle, and you know, PB Blaster and
Big hammer.
and friends to hold down. It's apart.
Yeah, we strangled it while Josh hit it.
Basically, yeah. Winning.
Yeah.
Hold on, he should probably start his side.
Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna keep that. Oh, there we go. Yeah, look at that.
And now you just gotta start it. Yep. Now we gotta get Rhodey's side. Hold on, Rhodey, let him hammer from his side whenever. Did you get that started, Aaron?
It didn't want to grab yet. Now it's pinched.
Oh, I see it. I can push up on this, that would help with it. I'm gonna change my position.
I was wiggling around and spinning it, hoping it was gonna grab the thread on that bolt, but
Oh,
Good deal.
nice! Hit it with the hammer, Aaron. Tap it up.
were we hitting it?
Just right on the head.
Oh.
There you go.
Oh,
Hang on. So you can start it, give him that.
Just start it. Down by your...
There we go.
Yep. Sorry for the shaky camera. Not really.
Don't.
No one's gonna watch. Yeah, that's good. That's good. Don't hammer it
Yep,
down
I
yet.
don't want the
All right,
pinch yet.
now off to Roadie's side. So
I don't know why this is recorded. Nobody's ever gonna watch a video on how to lift a fucking Liberty.
you can buy an extra.
When you can buy an XJ.
Because I got a good angle.
Look, when you can't get things to fit, you just need to put overkill on it and then spit on it.
Cross thread is still tight.
Hey, cross-threaded is still threaded.
We got the shocks on. Oh yeah, super easy. 2 bolts. We got the sway bar in. 2 bolts per side, 18s. 18s and 15s on the shocks. And this jack stand has officially come out. Brody, you can get your jack stand.
I don't want it.
And the rear tires are on. 32, 11 and a half, 15s are on this Liberty. Now we gotta mount the fronts. Yep. Last tire going on. This thing looks like a monster. You think he'll cry? I said we should go take it to Walmart. Depending on how quick they get it done, and literally park it and call them and tell them to come out.
He'll be done at 3 though.
What time is it?
We'll pick them up in it.
You want to go do it right now?
Depending on how it drives,
Depending on how it drives.
Take your mask off. Take your mask off. Surprise!
I'm gonna go touch it.
It's actually cardboard cutout.
Yeah, it falls over.
Oh my god, that is awesome. Wow. This is a lot taller than
Yeah, it's a lot taller than it.
It's a lot taller.
this is really big. Oh my god.
I have to go take it to alignment right now.
let's see if we can go surprise
Well, go sit in it.
Do you need a step?
I do.
Just want to. Give me this. Yeah.
A little bit higher.
What'd you say?